All right, chicos, so you're going to continue taking some notes on your command note worksheet. You already have the affirmative to and negative to commands, and today you're going to learn the usted, ustedes, and nosotros commands. Usted commands, just like negative to and affirmative to, these are used to tell somebody older than you, an authority figure, or a stranger to do or not to do. Notice usted doesn't have a difference between affirmative and negative. You form it just like we talked about in class. You take the yo form of a verb. Make sure you get all those irregular yo forms. Digo, hago, pongo, salgo, traigo, vengo, tengo, conduzco, conozco, whatever. You get that yo form, then you drop the o and you add the appropriate endings. For usted command, you can use the opposite vowel, an E for AR verbs and an A for ER and IR verbs. The irregulars, just like the negative to, we have saber, ir, dar, estar, and ser. So sepa, vaya, de with an accent, esté with an accent, and sea. Cargar-zar rule, just like negative to. Cargar-zars, they have to change C to QU, G to GU, and Z to C. So an example would buscar would be busque. Affirmative commands, really all you need to write in your little space there is you attach the pronoun when using an affirmative command. Doesn't matter what pronoun it is, direct, indirect, or reflexive. Examples, cómprelo, buy it. Dígale, tell him. Lávese, reflexives. Do write this under your reflexive commands. And a reflexive affirmative command will end with se. Okay? Negative commands with pronouns, you put the no, then the pronoun, then the command. Don't eat it, no lo come. Don't tell him, no lo diga. Don't wash it, that's reflexive. Put that under the reflexive command area. No se lave. It's se because it's an usted command. It goes before the command. Ustedes, same thing. These are used now to tell a group of people. This is the command I use every day in class. Okay, tell a group of people to do or not to do something. To form it, go to the yo form, drop the o, and add the appropriate endings. Remember, you drop the o from any yo form when we go to the o to get those digo, hago, vengo, tengo, salgo, traigo, oigo, etc. Stem changes as well. For ustedes commands, you add an en for AR verbs and an an for ER verbs. Make sure at the top it says usted on your command sheet, on your note sheet. Just fix it. Same irregulars: saber, ir, dar, estar, ser, sepan, vayan, den, estén, and sean. Cargar-zar rule again. C changes to QU, G changes to GU, Z changes to C. Just like the other ones, affirmative commands, you attach the pronoun. Okay, comprenlo, díganle, lávense. Please notice the se is still the pronoun here because of the reflexive pronouns. Negative command, the pronoun goes in front. It goes no, pronoun command. No lo comen, no le digan, no se laven. Nosotros, okay, again, we use this with a nosotros command. This means let's do somebody. There's no notes on here, but so write it in your note sheet. Let's us do it. Let's go to the movies. Let's eat in a restaurant. Let's study. Go to the yo form for all those irregulars. Now, make a note here. For nosotros, don't stem change. So if your yo form change, and it's a stem changer, unstem change it, if that makes sense. We'll practice these in class. Add the opposite nosotros ending. So AR verbs get amos, ER and IR verbs get amos. Irregulars. There's only 4 now. Dar, estar, saber, ser. Demos, estemos, sepamos, seamos. Ir is missing, but you're going to add a little note under number 4 there. Ir affirmative, let's go, is just vamos. Let's not go, no vayamos. Ears just got to be extra irregular. Stem change verbs are in effect, okay? Only for IR verbs. Put this little note below where it says reflexive commands. So O to U and E to I. Some examples of those were durmamos and pidamos. Reflexive commands are a little different when it comes to commands. For a reflexive nosotros command, you put it in the nosotros form, but you drop the S before you add the nos. So here would be levantarse would become levantemos. We had add amos because it's an AR verb. Nos would be the pronoun because it's nosotros. But the command would be levantemonos. We drop that S out.